check, and then we are loading it into the 3 million sites. So now it's already day, I think, yes, let me count. So day 12 of the test. This is already done for 12 days, and now it's going to finish. And after ending, we would also like to load it in the middle to see, okay, what is the capacity of this